I love the way that we chill, vibing through the weekend. I love the way you make me feel, but then all the times when we spend. I hold you down, baby, you hold me down too, and nothing's gonna break us apart. I got so much love for you, 'cause you love me, girl, for real, for real. Ain't no one else just like you, girl, 'cause you're loving me for real, for real, real. Type of girl that holds you down, type of girl that wants you to succeed, only one that deserves the crown. Pretty woman, I only see you with me. Depend on me, it depends on you. Rules that we bend, it descends on you. Tell me that you like it, tell me that you really, really like it. And I do really wanna be with you. I please you to please me, we good. Beautiful, you the one that got me tripping. Got you like you got me, we steady ripping and ripping. I got so much love for you, 'cause you love me, girl, for real, for real. Ain't no one else just like you, girl, 'cause you're loving me for real, for real, real. What's understood doesn't need to be explained, doesn't need to be explained. Our feelings always come through when we're together. What's understood doesn't need to be explained. When you're loved, you know it and feel it all over your back, your back.
So that you may see the gift that they are to you. These are the hands of your best friend, your partner in love and in life, that are holding yours on your wedding day as you promise to love each other all the days of your lives. These four hands will give you support as together you build your life and your future, as you share your innermost secrets and follow your dreams.
Armed with our secret weapon, our God gave three in one: the Father, the Spirit, and the Son, the foundation and the center of whom our family will be built.
Yeah, the squad. Hey. Togo's ready to dance.
Let's do it. Gina. I'ma be alright. This is childish. I want you out. I don't even know why you still here. Step. Step. I got my beaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. I took my baby to the north, yeah. I get my life right from the source, yeah. And I see you, the way I breathe you in is the texture of your skin. Wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. And I say, yo, there's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up, yeah. And I'll be right here with you to the end of time. I get my weed from California. I took my baby to the north, yeah. I get my life right from the source, yeah. You ain't sure yet, but
Yep, so for the name, my name is Rip, aka Masa.
Hi, Rick.
That's a joke. Can I get it? Balanis have called the Brady Bunch. But I'm going to introduce the Samoan version called the Vaili Bunch.
I'm for you. All I could want, all I can wish for. Nights alone that we miss for. Days of saving souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna make more time.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Vaili.
Never call it torture. No. Remember when I couldn't hold her? Left the baggage from Moa. I got my beaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. I took my baby to the north, yeah. I get my life right from the source, yeah. I get the feeling so sure. Hand in my hand because of yours. I can't pretend, I can't ignore. You're right for me. Don't think you wanna know just where I've been. No, I'm being distracted. What I need is right in my arms. Your kisses taste as sweet as with mine, and I'll be right here with you to the end. I got my beaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. I took my baby to the north, yeah. I get my life right from the source, yeah. I got my beaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. I took my baby to the north, yeah. I get my life right from the
Mātou te mai lo su ko malani. O le wha moe ka ANGE, ia mawili, ina ia tu whātasia lo la ai. Ia vi ia o ene tua wei manuia lo la fua wha moe. O mātou talo le tua ia iei ia wha mnianga lo fio.
Hey, oi, oh, not the off-road! Surely!
My kind of driver.